Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic. How can you make your very own confetti cannon? Find out. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to spice up your scouting this year by doing some new activities, new games, some new craft activity, or something that might inspire you. So go on, click subscribe and be part of our family. Join us. Otherwise, today I'm going to show you how to do your very own confetti cannon. It's really cool, it's really simple. All you need is a toilet roll, a balloon, some scissors, some tape and some paper. First of all, what you want to do is you want to cut the balloon, so you want to cut this end off, like so. There we are. And you want to place this on the end of your toilet tube, like that. And then what you want to do is with the tape, you want to tape that on so it's secure and it's not going to obviously come off accidentally. Just like that. Next, with your bit of paper, you want to cut up little squares. So you can do it like this. And this is going to be your confetti. Okay, and just simply. Now you've got your confetti. It's going all over the place. Pop that into the bottom of your toilet tube. You want that? And then, how to set it off is you pull back on the balloon, and then your own confetti cannon. There we are. Simple, fun, and really cool and easy to make. And you can do that for parties or anything, you know, celebration. And we're celebrating right now because I have hit 8,000 subscribers, so thank you very much. If you have subscribed, I really appreciate it. We're now on our road to 10,000 subscribers, which is weird and wacky, and I never thought I would. So thank you from the bottom of my heart if you have subscribed. If you haven't, then please, it's free and you'll help me out and you'll help yourself out, because that means you'll never miss something as weird and wacky and as fun as this. Don't forget to like it and share it around, because this is really fun and simple to do. And I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye!